Hi guys, today I'm going to be making glue stick slime, and here is what you will need. You will need some water, a mixing bowl, has to be a bowl, food coloring or food dye, whatever you want to call it. I call it food coloring. Is optional. Of course, a glue stick. I'm using Elmer's. A spoon. And I just have a skewer here just in case, but I probably won't need that. Okay, so let's get started. So you take this off. I'll be back when I get this up. Okay, so it's up. Now you're gonna take it. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Take it out. You're just gonna wiggle and pull very gently. And I'm twisting and pulling right now. And see, the whole thing came out, so this is clean. But the last 3 glue sticks did not come out like this, like clean. I had to actually get the skewer in there. Okay, so now you put it in your bowl. And the last 3 batches I tried to make, well 2, did not turn out. So hopefully, since I'm making it for you guys, it will turn out. Comment down below if you think it'd be a fail or it'll be a success. Is it a hack or a whack? So basically what I'm doing right now, I'll show you guys, is you're gonna take, make sure you guys can see it. Can you see it? I'm just going to show you guys normally. Okay, so you'll take your spoon, and I recommend not using a good bowl. Okay, so you're gonna take your spoon and mash, not really mash, but you're gonna take it, you don't have to hold it in your hands, but make it into slices. Now, I'm not going to be using food coloring because last time I used it, I think that's what made it go wrong. So I'm not going to use food coloring. So now that it's in pieces, you're just going to take it and break and mush it. It's going to take your, I take the back of the spoon. Now I just do this and I push. And so now it's smushed and it's how we like it. Now that it's smushed, you're just gonna take it and kind of break it out of its shape. Okay, like that. You're just gonna keep doing that. Okay, now it's all mushed. If you're wondering how I did that in such a short period of time, I just paused it, and when I was done, I just restarted it. So, now it would be like this. Sorry, food coloring fell in the garbage. Okay, so, I'm gonna take this. See, it's mushed. Gonna take it and just kind of make it into little slabs of different pieces, as so. So now, you need to get some of your excess off the sides, and then put it all in the middle. Now, you're just gonna need a little bit of water. I'll show you how much. I mean, you can add more if you feel it needs more. The water's in here. I don't want to tip it because it'll fall out. Water's down here now. So, just gonna take the top, take it into pieces. So now we need more water. And just move it around. So now that it's done, you're still going to have some water in there. You'll need that. If you don't, pour a little bit more in there. Now you're going to take it, put it in the microwave, roughly probably not even 10 seconds. 5-second increments. If you don't know what that is, just put it in for 5 seconds. And if the glue is not melted, put it in for another 5 seconds. That's what an increment is. You take it out and you put it back in. So, I'm going to put this in the microwave. As you can see, after 5 seconds for me, it did not melt, so I'm going to try another 5 seconds. For mine to melt, it took 17 seconds, but if you have a higher watt microwave, it won't take as long. So you just kind of experiment with it. Okay, so now that it's melted, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a stir. And I have some extra water. That I'm just going to dump a tiny bit of water out. Oh yeah, and I forgot, you need contact solution also. Some of it didn't melt. That's okay. You don't want all of it to melt. I'm not going to add food coloring until it comes together. So I'll be back with the contact solution. Doesn't matter what brand of contact solution. And I'm out. Hello, I'm back with contact solution. Okay. I am using the Moisture Last multi-purpose solution from Equate. No, I'm not sponsoring any of these. This, anyway, I'm not sponsoring anything. I would never sponsor in my videos. And you have to work quick. My glue is starting to become stick glue again instead of liquid glue. So you gotta remember, don't leave it for long. I think I'm gonna put this back in the microwave for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to add some contact solution. I just used a little bit. What is this? What is this? It worked for a lot of other people. What the heck? Okay, contact solution didn't work. So now, scratch the contact solution. All you will need to make this come together, hopefully, is some water and some borax. Put the borax in the water, stir it. I'll be back with that. Okay, I've got my borax solution here. And it dried up a freaking again. Ooh, it's a good texture, but it's still sticky. Okay, so I'm going to stir this borax. It's borax and water. Added a little bit too much borax, but that's okay. Just going to get some on my spoon and put it in there. Guys, you won't believe it. It actually worked. So Sorry, don't scratch the solution. You should put a little bit of solution in at the end like I did. Stir it in. And then put some borax solution in. And it comes together pretty nicely. But if it doesn't work for you, that's okay, because I had a hard time getting it to work also. So you're not the only one. It worked. I'm gonna try. It's more like a Play-Doh type. It's not that stretchy. I put some more borax solution in here. I mean, this stuff would be good to put in a stress ball. Okay, so if yours turns out like slop, like mine did, like this, try getting a balloon if you have one. And put this stuff inside a balloon. It can make a good stress ball. But it's a fail. Sorry, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.